Picture yourself descending into the glowing pulse of New York City. The subway rattles toward Union Square. Fragrant food carts drift along the streets, and overhead, towering lights beckon. Whether you're exploring boldly on your own, sharing laughs with friends, or making memories with family, NYC is a stage for adventure and awe. Did you know that New York's skyline includes over 6,000 skyscrapers, making it one of the densest skylines in the world? Or that the city's subway system sees nearly 2 million riders daily, working around the clock? And here's a surprise. The TWA Hotel at JFK was once part of a 1962 airport terminal designed by legendary architect Eero Saarinen. It's not just a place to rest, it's a story. Today, I'll take you on a journey through 3 iconic stays: the Sofitel New York, the Shelburne Sonesta New York, and the legendary TWA Hotel. So grab your coffee and let's escape to elegance, charm, and retro glamour. Sofitel New York. Let's step into Sofitel New York, a Parisian-inspired gem perched between Times Square and Bryant Park. With its sleek limestone and glass facade and soaring 30 stories, it's a modern tribute to French design right in Manhattan. One guest shared, "The beds are so comfortable, like sleeping on clouds." A huge thank you to Daniel and the entire staff for making my sister's birthday so special. The hotel features 398 luxurious rooms, including suites with terraces, plus signature spaces like L'Appartement New York for ultimate comfort. Whether you're winding down after Broadway or enjoying morning pastries with a view of the Chrysler or Empire State Building, Sofitel is elegance and location woven together. The Shelburne Sonesta New York. Next, let's wander over to the Shelburne Sonesta New York, nestled in the leafy streets of Murray Hill. This boutique hotel exudes classic New York City charm, with apartment suites, terraces, and a warm residential vibe. TripAdvisor guests cry out, "Such a lovely small hotel located in a nice, quieter area. Staff are always polite and really well-informed. Dennis, the doorman in particular, is our favorite." The hotel offers spacious guest rooms and multi-bedroom suites with full kitchens and terraces that frame the skyline. Perfect for families or extended stays. Order breakfast or grab a craft cocktail at the lush, vintage green rooftop, where views of the Empire State and Chrysler buildings bloom behind greenery. It's the kind of place where you feel like a neighbor, not just a visitor. TWA Hotel. Finally, prepare for a blast from the past with the TWA Hotel at JFK, a cinematic flight-age landmark reborn. Once the legendary TWA Flight Center opened 1962, this mid-century masterpiece is restored into a 512-room hotel, complete with the original departure board, retro furnishings, and aviation nostalgia in every corridor. Skytrax awarded it North America's Best Airport Hotel and 3rd worldwide, and it retained that honor into 2025. Guests note, "The soundproofing was very good, the rooftop hot pool was nice, and the gym was very large and extensive." But opinions can be mixed. The lobby is fantastic. Food was pretty good. Service was all right. I don't think I would come back for $300 to $400 a night, unless maybe I had a 5 a.m./6 a.m. departure. Still, it's hard to resist the allure of sipping cocktails aboard a restored 1958 Lockheed Constellation Connie airplane, or taking a dip in the heated infinity rooftop pool overlooking JFK's runways, even in winter. So whether you're dreaming of sophisticated French flair at Sofitel, the welcoming warmth of the Shelburne Sonesta, or mid-century nostalgia in the skies at TWA Hotel, New York is ready to surprise and delight. Let your stay be part of your story, whether it's breathtaking views, cozy corners, or aviation glamour. When you're ready to book your trip, flights, hotels, or both, just email hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com. I'll help tailor your stay so you don't just visit New York, you live it. Until the next adventure, travel well, and see you in the next video.